Hello friends, welcome to Learners Forum. So this video is about the recent notification released by Rain India Technical and Economic Service Limited, which is RITES Limited. So here we have around two notifications. Let us see one by one. So in the first notification, it is for the engagement of professionals on contract basis through online interview. Let us see the post and vacancies details now. So we have around 15 plus posts. So starting with equipment planning expert in international level, we have one post. And for senior mechanical engineer in national level, we have one post. For civil engineer in international level, we have one post. Similarly, we have junior design engineer, CAD draftsman, senior ICT engineer. Likewise, we have many different posts and the corresponding vacancies are also mentioned here. Moving on into the age limit factor, the maximum age is 55 years. Now let us see the minimum qualification and experience. So for each post, the experience and educational qualification is mentioned here. Starting with equipment planning expert, the experience required is 5 years with graduation in electronics or instrumentation engineering or biomedical engineering from a recognized university with 5 years of experience. Similarly, for the next post, which is senior mechanical engineer, 15 years of work experience with graduation in mechanical engineering is required. Likewise, we have 15 plus post with the required experience and graduation, that is educational qualification details. Everything is listed out in detail. So candidates belonging to each discipline can just check in. Scrolling further, at the last we can see that cost expert specialist, for which 3 years of experience is required with graduation in engineering with a discipline of electrical or electronics instrumentation or biomedical engineering. Next, relaxation and concession details are all given here. Moving on into the selection process. So technical and professional proficiency will carry 65% of weightage and personality, communication and competency will carry 35% of weightage. Next, nature and period of engagement. So initially, we will be in a contract basis for a period of 1 year. Next, details about the pay scale and approximate CTC is given for each post. And moving on into the application fees, it is mentioned as nil for any different categories. Next, to apply for this particular program, I will show you how we have to get it registered and all the details once after seeing about the details in this notification. And we need not to submit or upload any documents at the time of submitting the application. But later on, during the video conferencing, we need to upload all the documents required in the link provided here. Next, the general instructions are given. Moving on into the important dates. So the online application will start from April 18th and last date to apply will be May 10. And venue and date of interview dates are all mentioned here. So this is the notification details. Now let us see how to apply for this particular recruitment. So for that, we have to go into the official website of RITES and under that just click on the career section. And in that, click under the online registration. So here, we have to fill in all the basic particulars. So once after making the basic registration only, we can make this applicant login. So fill in all the personal particulars and submit it. Then using the credentials which we have filled here, fill it in the applicant login, which is login ID, password and date of birth. And once after login, we can complete the application procedure. So this is the procedure to apply for this recruitment. Moving on into the second notification, which is for engagement of engineering professionals on contract basis. So the post is resident engineer and we have around 20 different vacancies. The maximum age will be 40 years. So for this resident engineer, the minimum qualification required is full-time diploma in civil engineering or full-time diploma in engineering in mechanical, production, industrial, mechanical and automobile discipline, or chemical, petrochemical, plastic engineering, technology, food, textile and leather technology, or in electrical and electronics, for which they also require minimum 3 years of work experience. So this is the educational qualification, followed by relaxation and concessions are all given here. Next, on the selection process, we have totally 2 rounds. In the first round, we have written test for 100% of marks. So in this, we have to secure minimum of 50% of marks to undergo second round. So we will have 125 objective type questions, 1 mark for each question for a duration of 2.5 hours, and there is no negative marking for the first round. So if we qualify first round, we will be attending the second round, which is nothing but the competency test. Next, the nature and period of engagement. We will be on contract basis initially for a period of 1 year. And the remuneration details, which includes the basic pay, allowances and all the other details, are listed below. Moving on into the fee structure, for general and OBC candidates, the fee is 600 plus tax, and for the other candidates it is 300 plus tax. So the application procedure is similar to the previous notification that we have seen earlier. Only thing is we have to check in the advertisement number and the post that we are applying for. Other than that, all the procedures are going to remain the same. So date of written examination will be 5/5 and the center of examinations are listed here. On scrolling further, we have the syllabus for electrical, which includes all the subjects starting from circuits, control system, digital electronics, analog electronics, power electronics, application utilization of electrical energy. So in our channel we have around 4+ subjects. So you can use the material as reference also if you are preparing for this particular recruitment. Similarly, we have syllabus for mechanical engineering, chemical engineering and all the other discipline syllabus also in this PDF. So online application will be starting from April 20 and the last day to apply will be April 30, and the other important dates are all listed here. So if you have any doubts, you can just post it out in the comment section. Thank you so much, friends.